We're here with Zeb, one of my little brothers. The other one's up there pushing a cart because he's a goofball. And it's me. My little brother, I was helping him work on his truck, make it a little faster with 4-cylinder, 2.2. What year?
98.
98 S10. Vinegar and baking soda in the little cup there. The headlights, that's with it clean. That's with it's not. That is totally different. Like, look with the video. Yeah. Then his grill's black. Needs more paint because this retard didn't get enough. But his truck ain't bad. Definitely needs rims.
Yep. Show them inside.
Yeah, my little brother's race truck needs different rims. I'm going to try to help him get racing coilovers. Those are factory wheels. There's his old seat. There's that goofball over there. So it's a stock passenger seat until I get another one of those. The exhaust tip is going to be underneath. Put it back there with the tools. Race seat. Buckle back there works. Tacks. Door things. Inside the door. Why did you paint the inside of your door yellow?
Huh?
Inside your door is yellow.
Because all I have is yellow.
Why? You should have just asked me, man. Goofy bastard. Who's taking a piss? You taking a piss?
Nah.
Oh. I'm about to say, you better not. No, you're stepping on the gravel. It sounds like you're taking a piss. There's Zach. Zeb. Me. His truck did shine like shit. Where the hell is this? Over here somewhere. Took the exhaust off. What is that, like a 26-inch cherry bomb we put on it?
Yeah.
Ugh, fuck, I don't even really want to lay down here. I don't even move. You can hear. Yep, I'm gonna have to lay my big ass down for a second. Oh shit! Regular exhaust on the other side of the bar. Back in the cherry bomb into another piece of pipe. That's gonna have the turn down piece on it. Oh god, I'm fat. Zeb, how am I gonna set up a mold? Oh! What you doing? There's a gnome behind you. The gnome's like, I'm not gonna poke you in the butt. Don't hit me with that. I will get my twin to fuck you up, and he's right there. Ah! Ugh, my tools. Hey Zeb, here in a second on video. Do you want to start up your truck?
Huh?
You want to start up your truck so they can hear what your little race car sounds like?
Yeah.
Keys on your bucket seat. Don't quit throwing stuff at me, you little pain in the butt. Did it hurt? You just a shit-eating grin. Now the bad thing, when you get out there and you actually stomp on it out, it's going to be sucking a lot more air into that air box. So it's going to have a lot more attitude. Yeah, he's just touching up stuff over here. I'll outrun you. Me just pointing at a Mustang, little 5.0. Junk.
Where's that headlight?
That headlight looks like shit again. Man, go away for a little bit. What the hell?
Yeah, it works 5 minutes.
Just enough to take a girl out for dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Why'd your headlights look like shit now? Oh, no. I think somebody pooped on them.
Bitch, you fucking sat on in front of my truck, that's why.
Yeah, that was like, what, shitty fake chrome?
Yeah. I'm metallic.
You know what you should let me do?
Bites.
Come back down here, paint this motherfucker plum crazy purple like my lowrider. Black, red, and purple.
Well, so the headlights don't stay clean. Because fucking YouTube lied. That's the main reason.
Hey, Zeb. There's a retard right there. And in the bad thing, my finger's pointing right at his mouth.
Hey, Zeb.
And don't fucking buy clear coat from Walmart.
Hey, Zeb. There's a fat
Fucking
fuck
cheap
right there.
I know I'm fat. I'm pleasantly plump.